Did you know the chances of survival increase between 60 to 80% if you use an AED? Using an AED is very easy. Do exactly as the drawings tell you and turn on the machine, listen to the machine, and do exactly as the machine tells you to do. Only a few minor things to remember before using an AED. AEDs must go on bare skin. So you will use the trauma shears that come with an AED pack to cut the clothing and put the pack on a bare skin. If your patient has any chest hair, you have to make sure you give a shave to the areas where the pads are going to go. If your patient is wet or has moisture on their chest, please make sure to dry them off, as electricity and moisture do not mix. If you find any jewelry on your patient's body, please remove those. Step 1, we cut the shirt. And expose the chest completely. Following that, if there's any hair on the body, we use the razor to shave the areas where the pads are going to go. After that, take the AED pads, look at the photos, and do exactly as the photos are telling you to do. Turn on the machine,
press pads firmly on
and do exactly as the machine tells you to do.
Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Press the
I'm
button.
clear, you're clear, everybody's clear. Delivering shock.
Shock delivered. Begin CPR.
To learn more about CPR, follow us for more details.